Are you struggling to make your brand stand out? Introducing BIMI, the game changer for brand recognition. You need a properly formatted company logo to get started with BIMI. Our system simplifies this process. Just point to your vector-based logo, and we'll convert it automatically. Upload it directly from your computer or from a public URL. Ensure you follow the do's. Check your domain with EasyDMARC's BIMI record checker, convert your logo with our tool, and apply for a verified mark certificate. Avoid the don'ts. Don't host your logo on unsecured sites and skip logos with external images. Stand out with a BIMI-compliant logo and boost your brand's visibility today. Don't wait, get started with EasyDMARC now and enhance your brand recognition.